This was the syllabus of the week 12, March 23rd, 25th. Please practice, record your videos and submit. You can email me and you can just submit your videos. Try to keep it short because it's hard sometimes to download, like each section, like I just did. The skills parts, and then harmonization, the sight reading, and chord progression, and arpeggios. Keep it short videos. Yes, send me again what you prefer to use, like Messenger, Viber, Skype, FaceTime, any of this. And during the week, I'm going to, again, for one-on-one lessons, we're gonna do like half of the class on Monday and half of the class on Wednesday, like the exams week. Please write what you prefer, but again, I have to manage half-half. So would you prefer Mondays or Wednesdays? I think in this case, not an exam anymore, doesn't matter. Half of the class during your class times, preferably. If you have instrumental practice at home, that's perfect. If you need to go to the campus or somewhere else, let me know please, and I'll try to be as flexible as possible. Okay, have a great day, stay healthy, stay safe, see you next time.